Symbol and atomic number. Iron is represented by the chemical symbol Fe, and it has the atomic number 26. It is a transition metal and belongs to Group 8, formerly known as Group VAB of the periodic table. Abundance in Earth's crust. Iron is the fourth most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It is commonly found in minerals such as hematite, magnetite, and siderite. Discovery. Iron has been known since ancient times, and its use dates back to the early stages of human civilization. It is one of the oldest known metals used by humans. Role in hemoglobin. Iron is a crucial component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. It gives blood its red color. Magnetic properties. Iron is a ferromagnetic material, meaning it can be magnetized. It forms the basis for the production of magnets and is used in various magnetic applications. Steel production. The majority of iron is used in the production of steel. Iron, combined with carbon and other elements, forms different types of steel with varying properties, such as hardness, strength, and corrosion resistance. Wrought iron, cast iron, and steel. Wrought iron, cast iron, and steel are different forms of iron alloys. Wrought iron is nearly pure iron. Cast iron contains a higher carbon content, and steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Iron Age. The Iron Age, a period characterized by the widespread use of iron tools and weapons, followed the Bronze Age. The ability to smelt and work iron greatly influenced technological and societal advancements. Role in cellular respiration. Iron is essential for cellular respiration. It is a key component of enzymes involved in the electron transport chain, a process that generates energy within cells. Iron in Earth's core. Iron is believed to be a major component of Earth's inner core, along with nickel. The motion of molten iron in the outer core is thought to generate Earth's magnetic field. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.